Hello mga mommies! Magandang morning! Ngayon po ay araw ng Webes and it's 5 in the morning already. I'm still at work and as of the moment I'm on break, so I'm going to make this video and share with you guys our journey during our house turnover that was on January 16, 2026. Alam kong na-share ko na yung iba sa inyo, like the photos and the other videos. But right now, I want to share with you guys the whole journey ng pagkuha namin ng susi. So, ngayong araw nga po na to ay January 16 at ito po ang araw ng aming house turnover. So, inagahan po namin umalis mga around 4:30 in the morning because we want to make sure that we will arrive there as early as we can kasi marami nga raw kaming magre-receive ng susi. So at this time, nasa toll gate na kami. Mabilis na kami nakarating kasi nga wala pang traffic, madaling araw pa. And tamang-tama yung decision namin na umalis kami ng maaga. So, alam niyo yun, matagal namin ding pinag-isipan na kumuha ng bahay. At since nag-decide kami na kumuha na nga, nagtuloy-tuloy na siya. And ilang buwan lang na kaming naghintay bago ma-turn over sa amin yung susi. So, nagpa-reserve kami, that was August of 2025. Tapos na, yung anak ko, tuwang-tuwa pa yung anak ko, may pasayaw-sayaw pa dyan. Going back, so, August nung nagpa-reserve kami, tapos December of 2025 na approve kami ng Pag-ibig. So na take out na sa amin yung housing loan. And ayan lang, napakabilis lang. At ang maganda pa dito, wala pong down payment at equity. So, bali, ang inilabas lang namin nung time na to ay yung reservation lang na amounting of 5,000. Kasi supposedly 10,000 yun, pero may promo yung agent ko. So, naka-avail tayo ng promo na yun. So, this time, tayo po ay papasok na ng NAIC. At maliwanag na, nagpakita na si Haring Araw. Malapit na po tayo, mapapasok na po tayo doon sa village mismo. At dito nga po,